So it's Christmas Eve and I just thought I'd say hello to everyone, and we've had no time to put a video together. Manic with school activities and trying to get the van done and finishing off bits of work. We're nearly there. Santa's coming tonight and Maximus is very excited. He's outside the van at the moment. I've done some jobs on the van, but I've just not had time to put anything together. I've not really had time to film. I've filmed some bits, so I'll probably put things together for Thursday night videos, just short ones where I talk about how I've done the back doors. So I've done some of the back doors. Well, I've done the back doors. They're all insulated, carpet lined, and I've cut the foil inserts and trimmed them. It's snug and warm. I've put a foam back bar along the middle which closes over, and I've pretty much finished them off. In the front, because we're going to colder climates, I've put a curtain rail up and one of the blackout curtains can now hang there. I've not had time to do this door, so I may just try and cut the insulation in and tape it in and put something down there for now. I've managed to cut doors and panels and get some storage in down here. Obviously the fridge will sit back in here. The diesel heater now runs through into the shower, so that's a drying room with the fan on, and it also pipes through into here. The controls are mounted there. All the diesel heater and the temperature controls will be mounted on this panel over here. In the shower, I've got a shower curtain up against the door to stop any drips flying out. The vent is fitted down there to allow hot air to come into the shower now. We've got the mats down and the shower is working perfectly. My last coat of varnish did bubble up a bit. I've got some air bubbles in it, so at some point I'll flatten that back off and put another coat of varnish on. But the bathroom is pretty much finished now, really, and it works really, really well. And this shower curtain will just stop any drips, and when I'm helping Maximus, I can just draw it across and hose down from here. So that's that one. Close that over. I've got... move off that. I've fitted a door on here and shelves, more shelves inside. There you go. So there's a handle up there. That's just on magnets because it won't open and close because of that. So I've just created a divide there. So I've got like for clothes and stuff, and then that's ready. So we're getting near now to being ready to go in terms of painting and decorating. I've still got some trim to put on around here and around the side flares. I've got the board cut and on for the sink. We have got some videos still left to put out, so I'll probably do some Thursday nights at some point with just some of the van build stuff, the little bits I've got, and then I will put together. We've got the trip to Wales we did during half term or autumn half term. That was lovely. That trip, Maximus really enjoyed himself. So I'll put the videos together of that one. Let's see where he is. Let's see where he is. Is he here? Is he here? He's
Hello.
Just got in.
Hello.
You've got to look.
Hello.
Are you going to say Merry Christmas, everybody?
Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy New Year.
And we'll see you out and about.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you very much to everybody who has watched along this year, who's liked, who's subscribed, who takes the time out of their day to comment and follow along our little journey. We really appreciate it, and we'd just like to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we'll see you on the other side.